From a customer point of view, they want to be able to shift their data around. It's clearly one of the promises, one of the opportunities that's provided by cloud computing. If open and interoperable computer platforms were possible, then different applications could be provided by different suppliers to different customers to meet different needs.
How do we overcome issues of interoperability? How do we prevent people from not being locked into a system? And if I am a small or medium enterprise and I have to expose my data to a particular company, and if tomorrow I decide to move, can I move? The answers are not very clear today.
So, for example, if I've got a mainframe, do I have to use IBM's software and services? And so it goes on. So, whether or not you can shift your data about is one of the biggest issues. Interoperability is the solution, or it promises to be the solution, that allows you to transfer your data between different clouds, different computers, different processing platforms.
We're interested in providing this to our customers. Our customers live in a very diverse environment. They work on Microsoft platforms, thankfully. They work on many, many other platforms. They usually are in many facilities around the world. And so interoperability is critical because you have to support that diversity in their environment in the cloud. They're going to run some of these workloads in the cloud. They're going to run them on their home premises. They're going to run them on other platforms. And interoperability is what makes them able to chase that efficiency and not be interrupted or held up by any constraints.
I think the first point is to understand the size of the opportunity. There's still a lot of concern, there's a lot of questioning and skepticism that cloud computing is just a load of hype. And that clearly isn't the case. There is a massive opportunity, largely driven by cost savings and efficiency benefits.
For the rest, is essentially a job of industry to convince people that cloud computing is sufficiently standardized so that a small and medium enterprise is not going to be locked into a solution, that security is okay, and the operational risk is non-existent.
I think that the future of cloud computing is federation of different infrastructures. That's quite important. And for that, we have to adopt a standard or adopt a common interface in order to be able to create cloud infrastructures across different sites.
There is the pure idea that there have been standards bodies and there has been standards, de facto standards, and so that people align around standards. The first most known standard was TCP/IP, and then we introduced XML, and so you have had de facto and even ISO standards, official body standards. So that's, I think, one way to accomplish it. The second way to accomplishing is that we, as a vendor like Microsoft, agrees to really team up with other vendors and test products that they work together. So from the moment that you release a product, can you really state it does interoperate with these and these and these products?
The Commission can certainly put forward, or try to put forward, a regulatory regime which caters for cloud computing, which is not the case today.